Hey, yo, what it do? It's time for some heavy rhythm today. I want to show you guys what's good in here. We have some sick stuff going on. The Aweminus pack dropped. We got some heavy things going on. Basically, I made some heavy rhythm with the new Aweminus pack. I'm going to show you guys what's good in this pack. And also there'll be this project on my Patreon. Let's go ahead and check out the whole song and show you what I made right for the one time. Let's go. That's what we got going on. I'm going to show you guys how to make everything that I just made here. These sounds are the presets, the serum presets that were in the Aweminus pack. I used about 3, about 1 audio sample. This pack is full of stuff. So let's check out these bass loops real quick. Damn. Oh, got all the drums. Nice fat kicks, nice fat claps. Good claps. You know what I'm saying? You even got like subs. Oh yeah. Yep. This is a good one. Yeah, if you need it, just get it in the description. That Avant pack will be right there. Aweminus collab, very nice, very good. Let's go ahead and break down this though. Remember, if you want this full project to be in the Patreon, you can have a nice little foundation to start a song. First, the drums. With the kick, the simple rhythm pattern. What I mean by that is we have the kick going, then we have the kick going with the snares as well. So listen, it's like a combination kick snare combo. Using an agony kick right here, and I'm using some slight glue compression to make it loud. With the snares, we have them grouped up. We have drip TT, some reverb, an amp, and the EQ. So these things are making it loud, and this EQ is cleaning it up. The way we're layering it is with snares and claps. So we have like a transient. We have this. All kinds of different snares to create one big power bay. Woo! Those are pretty simple. And then we have like cymbals and highs, you know. I just put stuff on the downbeat and then stuff on the offbeat as well. Just to add rhythm and flow for the highs. Simple, drums easy. Next, the sub, you know. This is my normal drip sub, but I added a pedal this time, put it on sub mode. This adds some really nice oomph. Make sure you have your headphones on or you're in the whip. Off, on, off, off, on. You can hear it like adds more volume and more oomph to the sub without, you know, minimizing the feeling in the chest. So that's really good. I turned it down a little bit, and the sub is playing on the main note, which is D0. Just playing D. And then as you see here, I'll automate the level to match the rhythm of the main bass lead. So I put this LFO3 on this level, put the rate on 1/4 and on trigger, so it can move like So we have full control of the sub, and then that sub will match the lead. So let's get into the actual basses. This is the first one. This is the second one. I use this on the downbeat, but it's a little wiggle. This one right here. Then we have a supporting. Can't even really tell this is there, but this is doing a lot. So we turned this one off. Sounds empty. Turn it back on. Yeah. That's really important. It sounds like this. This is the Faux 4 serum preset by Aweminus. Very nice. I just added an easy clean rack, which is reduce ambience, OTT, and camel crusher to make it even louder. And compress it. Kind of fitting it in the mix with that compression. And then this is the main lead. This is the quarter boat. And with this FM from B, we can move this knob to easily change the tone and make different basses just by moving this knob slightly. And then if you see here, I automate the reverb. So as soon as it starts, it's like no reverb, and then we get thrown back into the reverb. So check that out. Adds for cool effect, adds for more dramaticness in the you know, in the rhythm times. Cool tricks, want to do stuff like that. And if you see here, the sub is kind of like bouncing with it. Like, So that's really creating like the downbeat or all, and then the rest of it would be the response basically. And the wiggle is kind of setting it off as well. We have a Dripment wide bass in here too. So this is like going on every offbeat. No, actually every downbeat. So listen here. It comes in like later on to like just add more rhythm and more bounce. See at the end, I'll like cut space out for little fills and add vocals. I'll record myself basically. I'll pitch myself down, you know, because it sounds cooler like that, you know what I'm saying? And then over here, I start to add like atmospheres from the Aweminus pack. It's really nice. I'll mess with pitch, Complex Pro, add little sections. Then towards the end here, I just add my own, the Dripment Sudden Yoi. This is from the Sudden Death video. It's a Sudden Death Yoi, and then this is the Resurrect Chop for the wide bass. So I have made two separate videos on those two basses if you guys want to check those out. Otherwise, it will be in the project when you get on the Patreon also. It's very simple. You know, with this rhythm, you want to keep it simple. You don't want to go too crazy, and you want to mess with automation and cool things like that so you can get variations as the song proceeds from beginning to end. It's a good time, really. Thank you guys for watching. I enjoy you so much. If you need help, go in the Discord. We can help you there, or book a lesson. I got you. Have a great day, guys. Peace out. Fresh.